What's up, guys? Me and my cousin going to Detroit, downtown, ready to rock. Introducing the nigga shiga faziga, okay? Here you go. Somebody was stopped by the cops. You're busted, bro. He's busted. Like. This booth looks like a goddamn war machine. In our country, Chafuri drives the bus here. Black guys drive the bus, so we are Chafuri always. They have Chafuri too. They're working like Bosnians. Same shit all over the world, guys. See? Oh. That guy's bump. It's like a pump. I know. It was funny, you know? There was like a bump in the guy there, you know? Bump. So we got like working job. Getting to the downtown, still didn't get there. Getting to Detroit, guys. Downtown, nice view. Left. What's it? Para. Stadium. They're making a new stadium. All Detroit is construction. Yeah. Detroit Tigers. We have close to us Domžale Tigers. Oh my god, look at the statue, we gotta see that. Ooh. Look at the Tigers on Detroit Tigers. We gotta go there. Again fucking truck. Jebem mu, mater mu jebem. Non stop. Somebody in front of us. I did move right. So we're getting to the downtown, guys. MGM. Down. Five guys. Old Stone. Papi. Level 5. VIP parking. We're going to park a car at Casino's place. Here we go, we found a place. Woo! Detroit, guys. This is Detroit. Town, guys, of Detroit. As you can hear the music, it's Greek music. So I feel like in Greece. I'm walking my friends, Turks. Excuse me. You can go and gamble your salary if you want. Yes. It's a little bit similar to our music. Laka. Siku. You got the shish kebab. Let me get shish kebab. Oh, hi. Vidi ga. Pepis, papi. EU papi dot Twitch. Five Guys, burgers and fries. But it's funny, like music is like Greek music everywhere. Maybe we should go on the Greek salad. Santorini. No? Santorini, yeah? So this was the Greek. Alright guys, first time here. So I'm here, Detroit, downtown, with my friends. Here is a waterfall, whatever it is. Checking out. I'm just trying to find a RoboCop. Dead or alive, you're coming with me. But there's no RoboCop. So, as you can see, those guys are playing chess. Oh, yes. Enjoy, guys. We'll go win. It's kind of like, they're like a lot of tall skyscrapers, but they're kind of old. Some of them, they're made from brick. Can you imagine? Look at this guy. This one is made from brick. So, check out this. Smrdi na bazen. Smell some. Hide, hide, hide. Fans are waiting. See, they have their own beach in the middle of the Detroit. All around and around. Let us see the water. How the fuck do I know what this shit is called? Water fountain. Yeah, we got fountain water. Nice. Looks awesome. Holy shit, that's me, guys. Yeah, that's how I do it. When I got something beautiful next to me. Spit it out. Woo! They go fast, they go big. Nice. Middle of Detroit. Oh my God. Motor General Motors, something like that. General Motors building through it officially. Once the fucking richest company. Oh, it's freaking tall, guys. Let's go check out next to the river. Detroit Princess. Works. It actually works. That side, guys, there's a Canada. At the river, which bords USA and Canada. And there's a nice statue. I don't know what they're talking about, but I'm gonna take a look. We're here, and it says International Memorial to the Underground Railroad, the gateway to freedom, route companion, blah 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 blah. Project for Detroit. Okay, nothing. Doesn't say anything about those guys. Searching for a brighter future. The gateway to freedom basically speaks that this was a gateway to run in Canada from enslavement. It was a destination for freedom seekers. So yeah, those guys were like black people. They're running away from USA. You see, this guy is white people, the guys, those are black, and he's helping them to get away, to not be slaves. So that's will towards Canada. Flying geese, stay on there. Oh Canada, why are you so European? I like that. How do you call these boats, guys? I mean, ship. We say it's Slovenia parnik. What about you? You are laying down, taking a break. Detroit Princess. Are we gonna go party, guys? This is a party boat. I like the police, Detroit. Dead or alive, you're coming at me. MGM again. Detroit Princess. Super Mario. I'm going inside the GM. This is the GM building, by the way. So, whoa. Let's see, what do they have? What do they have for us? I see a Camaro. Holy shit! So this is the official building of GM, General Motors, guys. Oh my God! Look at this beautiful car. This is my next car, guys. SS Camaro. Oh, isn't that car beautiful? Nice car. This is a Bumblebee I drove before. I believe this is a little bit newer model. They have here Chevrolet. The big one, Jeep. But yeah, this is like a typical American truck, and people are really like crazy about them. I don't see the point of these cars. I'm more like that guy car. But yeah, let's go out there. Where actually I'm in General Motors, as I told you before. There's a nice view. Camaro again. We got some palms outside. Other side is Canada. And we're proceeding to another level. Now I'm getting to the train. I believe I'm gonna go to train. I'm drinking Red Bull. Never saw it before. There's like all the colors of Red Bull. And we're gonna go on train. We're gonna go with the train, guys. Guys, we're waiting for a train so we can get in. I believe it's a tour train. Let's go.
Mi ćemo doći u prije.
Crazy. Let's go. Like every day, Dino is a bus driver. Train driver. Nice. Detroit, goddamn. Holy shit, hold on. I can actually see it. Oh my god, the brakes are gone. Emergency exit. Canada.
See the boat? How did they go? How did they find?
The next station is Bosnia. Vrpolje. Pa cijeli dan Maratina. Currently at Broadway, Detroit, going back to car. So slowly we are ending our trip to Detroit. RoboCop. Dead or alive, I'm coming with you. No, you're coming with me. Alright, let's go. This is like public transportation. It's kind of like a train above the streets. It's awesome.
The next station is Cadillac Center.
Cadillac Center, the next station. Awesome, this is like an amusement park. Yep. I like the pictures on the buildings. The station outside, Heide. Casino. No, let's go to the car and that's it. The trip of Detroit is done. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch.